Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the train status on the Amtrak application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the status button down below, which is the third option. After that, click on by station or by train number. So if you select the first option, you should type in the name of the departure station and then the arrival station and then the departure date. Click on the check status button down below to check out the status of your train. So here you can see the estimated departure date and time and the scheduled arrival. And if you scroll down, you can see the detailed description. As you go back, you can also search for a status by the station and train number as well. Select the departure date, click on check status, and you will be able to check out the train status like this with the previous one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.